Hello, everybody. This will be the weather update for Alexandria, Virginia. It's June the 20th, 2015, about 7:30 a.m. Today, we're expecting heavy rain as a result of the tropical depression bill passing through this area. And what you're seeing here is the Storm Prediction Center assessment for the convective outlook for today through 8 a.m. Tomorrow. DC is right in this area. We're in the slight range of a threat of severe thunderstorms. This is usually about 15%. And let's switch over on the tornado area. Again, we're right here. We're right in between the 2% and 5% area. So the largest chance for a tornado today will be probably slightly south of us, and to the east, maybe Fredericksburg, Richmond area, and the Tidewater area. As far as wind is concerned, we have 15% chance of damaging winds, and hail the same, 15%. So we have the best chance of wind and hail damage, though there is still a significant chance of tornadic activity in the area south of us, and since we're right on the line, it's a close call. As far as the thunderstorm outlook, right now we're about 10%, and we stay 10% through about 4 p.m. today, and then we get into this area, which is a 40% chance. And so the thunderstorm activity, if we really have any, will probably not start until about 4 p.m. today. Okay, let's take a look at BuffKit. This is, again, the latest North American model data being displayed through BuffKit. This actually gives us a picture, a slice through the atmosphere predicted over Washington National Airport. And currently we have this set for about 1 p.m. We're seeing one rain dot there. That means that we have a chance of the precipitation starting as early as 1 p.m. today. And as we move this, we get more at 2, a little higher rate. And then there may be a break until about 10 p.m. 10 p.m. we're getting these 3 dots, which is going to be about quarter an inch an hour. It's going to be a significant potential rain around that time, and actually that's set for 11. And then as we advance this, by 12 a.m. midnight, we are getting 4 green dots here, indicating very heavy rain, up to a half an inch an hour. And then we start dropping back about 1 a.m. and then it will taper off 2 a.m., a little jump there. And by sunrise, about 6 a.m. Sunday, we should be rain free. Okay, I want to advance this a little bit. Let's see where we're at. Okay. Okay, we actually, it looks like we're going to have the maximum chance of a severe thunderstorm in the midnight area. Yesterday I was thinking it was going to be more closer to 2 a.m., but it's beginning to look more like it's going to be about midnight, where we potentially will have the highest rainfall and the most chance for severe thunderstorms. That's what all this red is indicating. Okay, let's go back to Weather Bell. This is the NAM, latest NAM. Currently we have this set on CAPE, which is the convective available potential energy. It indicates the possibility of severe thunderstorms. And this is about 5 p.m. today. We go up to let's see where we got. Okay, so we're showing basically at 5 p.m. we have the highest amount of CAPE according to this model. And it then starts tapering off. So this model is indicating that there potentially will be less of a chance of severe weather. So we are definitely, you know, it's not definite we're going to have severe weather at midnight, but it's something we need to keep an eye out. We do, you know, models differ, and so you can't absolutely count on any one model. Okay, this will give you an idea of how the rain is probably going to come into the area. This is 5 p.m. DC is in this area here, Alexandria and Arlington. As you can see, we have significant rain line here. And if we advance this to, let's see where we're at here, Sunday 0. Okay, this is 8 p.m. And this is showing that a very heavy rain down to our south. If we go a little further, this is 2 a.m. Actually, this is 11 p.m. I have to keep calculating between Universal Time and Eastern Daylight Time. This is the DC area. This is Alexandria and Arlington. So the bulk of the rain is being shown coming through at 11 p.m. So I think you can be fairly certain that starting around 11 p.m. we're going to see the rain rate pick up, and it's probably going to stay pretty high through 2 a.m. Okay, let's see what else we have here. Okay, this is the HRRR, again set on the simulated radar. DC is here, Alexandria is here, and Arlington is over in this area. And this is set at 5 p.m. and that's about as far out as this model goes. So I can't show you what it would be like yet at 11 p.m. and midnight because this model doesn't go any further than 5 p.m. right now. It's updated every hour, and so it'll advance. And so sometime midday we can take a look at what it'll look like at 11. Right now, again, you see that about at 4 p.m. this model showing that the line is approaching, and that we start having rain by 5 p.m. And finally, this is again one of my favorite products, weather products from the College of DuPage. What I have here, it's set to chance of significant tornadoes. The DC area is right in this area. Yesterday we were in the orange, now we're sort of in the green, so the chance of a tornado has actually slipped further south overnight. So we're talking more in the Richmond area, Fredericksburg area, and Tidewater area with a potential. And it really, it sort of disappears after that, or it moves further east. We never get into that higher area. And then let's take a look at the supercell chance. Let's move this to, let's see here. Okay, this is again about 11 p.m. Whoops, missed that. Let's see here. Okay, 11 p.m. DC is right in this area. We are in the yellow area here. So the chance of severe thunderstorms remains. It's just that the possibility of tornadic activity has seemed to drop further south. So I think we're marginal right now. I don't really think we're going to see a tornado, but it's something we need to keep an eye out for. Okay, that about wraps it up for this morning. Again, you should follow me at PatPend, PatPend, or you can follow any of the other weather people in the DC area, of course. You should stay attuned to the weather starting at least at 3 p.m. today, and you should keep an eye on what's being reported by the various weather people in the Washington Metro DC area. I would advise that this morning you spend a little time cleaning gutters, checking a sump pump if you have one, and if you have any outdoor patio umbrellas, you probably should take those down because we probably will get gusty winds up to as high as 20 miles an hour through this period. So that'll be wrap it up for now, and if anything real significant changes, I'll come back with another update. Thanks. Bye-bye.